Just a little PSA. If you don't want to make overboost your engine and bend your rod after lifting the head and ingesting all the water, make sure you use the right port on your Summit tile knockoff. These here and here come unblocked in the box, while these are blocked off with my thumb. That's actually the correct port for the lower boost control, not these here. That's a water port on a tile. This being a tile knockoff, they copied it, but the instructions show nothing about that, just cold side from turbocharger to lower bottom port. And you see, there's no markings. Unlike a tile that has markings, it says H2O, and air. So, let's hope maybe avoid bending a rod and twisting your piston and lifting the head off the block with 44 pounds of boost. And blow the copper out the back even. I should have used this to test the pressure. I usually use this to test my sensors, make sure they're reading right in the computer. But so, I just added this to the wastegate. Now I can control, see when the wastegate is open. I should have done that from the start. But, oh well. Hindsight's 20/20. And here's the result on the head. You can see it burn through there and there. Everything else is okay. Oh, one thing I should have pointed out too, not only did it bend the rod, it melted the aluminum block past the O-ring and steel sleeve. So, don't know how hard this is going to be to get fixed. So here's the tester in action with the wrong port. Alright. 20. I can hear air leak, but it ain't moving. Let's see. 60. Nope. Nope. 80. Hold on. Let's put it to the right port and see what it's supposed to do. Okay. Now we're in the right port. Let's see what happens. Oh. Look at that. Opens right up. Like 8 pounds. Make it close. So yeah, don't make stupid mistakes. And I guess I should also point out that on this gate, that little black water port comes with nothing in it. It's in the little bag of stuff that comes with it. Now, where the actual pressure is supposed to go, they have these big Allen plug threaded in. So they're already blocked off from when you get it out of the box. And then the bag of parts they give you, of course, is that little plug. And then 2 of these for what you would think would be like an AN line to go for the pressure. So without really looking, you think, oh, throw that in there, that's your pressure. Well, since it's open from the box, you think that's what it's supposed to be. It is not. Apparently that, according to the tile, which marks theirs, that is the water. And this should be the air pressure. So, no pressure to the bottom of the gate. So always test your sensors, your wastegates, everything. And make sure to put safeties in your tune. Or else you'll end up like me, wasting a whole nice engine. FFRE stage 3 short block. You have to be rebuilt.